and you don't realize.
Happy at Oh no.
Alright, so we're finally at Doug's house here, putting the motor in the RX-7 after a little bit of carbs and coffee this morning. And then we're not working in the most ideal conditions. We have Doug's new roof being installed, so we have plywood in the door, we got a generator running in the background, and we have these
flickering lights.
Flickering lights from whenever they...
Now they're not flickering.
Yeah, from whenever they turn on the saw.
Yeah, so we'd like to thank Doug in today's episode for scheduling his roof to be done. There you go. Yeah, for scheduling his roof to be done on the day that we have to drop his motor.
It's gonna be a good time.
So, in case you're all wondering which asshole scheduled the roofing today, it's this one! Okay, I'll trust you. Real great, real nice, Doug. You just saw the most unattractive thing I think I've ever done.
I think we've seen worse.
Shut the f up. Yeah. So we realized that this whole time-lapse / video, we thought we were showing you the motor, but instead, you're just seeing Doug blocking everything. Well, if it fits, So Tony got all that work, and you saw a time lapse of Doug's butt for who knows how long. Right, Doug? Yes. My hard work here is done. Let's put this thing right back where it belongs.
There she is. Kind of threw us for a little bit of a ringer here. To see this puck here, this guy back here, which you barely see. A little crooked at first when we first put it on. We had to loosen things up, and then eventually got that satisfying, and then let's see. So we finally had a little bit of extra assistance come in today.
Hi, buddy. Is there any stones down here?
You can work on, well, I don't know if he has the tools, though, if he has doubles. So we need to remove that one, too. See, it's a gap. Yeah, I guess I could use the old stretch around it. Yeah. So this one was perfect, and we put that one in, and now it's not perfect. Oh, wait, did it touch the light pipe? It pushed it this way a little. But it's way better though.
Where is he going?
Long walk ahead, buddy. Long walk ahead, buddy.
Hey, Tony! F you!
Right? No.
Oh, okay, cool.
I'm not a
I f***ing
No, I thought maybe
Why
like you were.
would I do that? Well, stop. I gotta get a hold of it again.
Actually, no, it's a 12.
You wanna change your mind one more time?
Yes.
What the do you want?
12. Oh, thanks.
You almost got it. Jesus.
Down and around.
Right?
So we got mostly everything in here. We got the motor, alternator, all the plumbing, fan, radiator. Things are plugged in. Everything's bolted down. Just kind of a matter of getting the exhaust on next. But the thing is, our personnel is kind of thinned out.
So I fell asleep and they did the rest of it. That's nice.
Where'd you say this fan is from again? Isn't it from like a
Nissan Quest.
Nissan Quest? That was it.
And then a BMW thermal switch off of like a late 90s 3 Series. And then the Volvo 2-speed relay. There. Okay, now we need the curve to go to the towards you. Go back. Yeah.
Ow!
You good?
Oh, yeah, I just smashed mine.
Sorry.
It's all good.
Okay. So fuel is tight.
Your oil pan is plugged?
Like the drain bolt?
Yeah.
That's tight. My injectors are tight. This is good. Injectors are plugged in. That's plugged in. That's plugged in. That's plugged in.
There's some motor, fan, rad. Everything's plugged in.
And assholes.
Those, I guess, yeah, those guys. Things are bolted down, air box on. Shit's plugged in.
For the love of God, I hope he didn't forget a gasket.
We're only missing fluids so far, so.
And a battery.
And a battery. Yeah, it's a little
important.
empty there.
I should call her.
I'm just gonna bump it first. Go ahead.
Here we go. Here we go. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, so close.
How do you feel about it?
Like a porn star!
Unsure.
I don't like that.
No.
That isn't.